Think you need to be an influencer to make money online? You don't. You don't need a big following, a personal brand, or even to show your face. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a faceless digital product business using AI tools. No tech skills, no camera, no burnout. You'll discover a system that's simple, scalable, and surprisingly quiet, where your product does the talking, and your income grows on autopilot. Whether you want to sell templates, planners, guides, or digital tools, this is the blueprint. Let's get into it. Step 1. Choose a problem to solve. Don't start by asking what you want to make. Start by asking what people are already trying to fix. Go to Reddit and look at threads where people complain about not being able to focus, or where they ask how to start freelancing, or how to plan meals for picky kids. Scan TikTok comments under productivity videos. Scroll through reviews on Amazon in the workbook or self-help categories. Your goal is not to guess what people might want. Your goal is to confirm what they're already searching for. Let's say you find a thread where dozens of people are asking how to stay organized as freelancers. You keep seeing the same complaint: too many client emails, lost files, and unpaid invoices. Now that's a clear pain point. That's your niche. It's not just freelancing. It's freelance professionals who feel overwhelmed and need a system. Step 2. Pick the product type. Now you move to the product type. You could create a Notion dashboard that helps freelancers manage clients and deadlines, or a collection of templates for invoices, proposal letters, and onboarding forms, or a simple mini course walking through a clean process to manage all that with free tools. Keep it focused. One product, one purpose. Don't try to create the ultimate mega bundle that solves everything. You can expand later, but only if people want more. Step 3. Create the digital product. If you don't want to build from scratch, AI tools will save you weeks of work. Start with ChatGPT. Ask it to list the common challenges freelancers face when working with clients. Then ask it to create an outline for a solution. Next, ask it to break that outline into sections. From there, you can get it to help write instructions, examples, questions, and even templates. Use short prompts and tweak the results. You're not replacing your brain, you're just speeding up the process. Say you're building a digital guide. You can ask ChatGPT, write a short introduction for a PDF guide helping freelancers track and manage their clients using Notion. It will give you a rough intro. You edit it to sound clear and human. Move section by section this way. You're not writing a novel. You're giving someone a shortcut. Design is the next part. Use Canva. It has thousands of templates and makes everything drag and drop easy. You can create digital planners, guides, social media templates, or even ebooks. Let's say your product is a toolkit for freelance designers. Use Canva to create branded invoice templates, feedback forms, and checklists. Make sure the fonts are readable and the layout doesn't look like it came from a 2003 school project. The more useful it looks, the more credible it feels. If you want to take design further, you can use Midjourney to create unique background visuals or themed illustrations. You type in a prompt and it generates images you can use in your product or promotional materials. Just make sure the visuals fit your topic and don't overwhelm the actual content. People are buying a solution, not a digital art gallery. Step 4. Host your digital product. I recommend using Gumroad for this. It's simple, free to start, and handles everything from file delivery to payment. Upload your file, write a clear product title, add a description that tells people what they'll get and what outcome to expect, then set your price. You can also use Koji, which is great if you want to promote through platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Koji works well if you want everything in one link, including a bio, product links, and opt-ins. Write your product description clearly. Tell them what the product is, who it's for, and what problem it solves. For example, this Notion dashboard helps freelance writers manage clients, track deadlines, and keep notes in one place. Don't write a novel. Keep it simple and focused. No need to call it life-changing. Just make it clear and useful. Now, let's talk about pricing. Most people undercharge. Don't price based on how long it took you to make. Price based on how much time or frustration you're saving the buyer. If your template helps them get paid faster, that's valuable. If your planner helps them stop forgetting tasks, that's valuable. Check similar products on Gumroad. Don't race to the bottom. Instead of selling for $5, price it at $25 and include a bonus page or mini video walkthrough. Higher prices attract more serious buyers and give you room to offer support if needed. Step 5. Promote. Here's where most people stop. They launch a product, post once, and call it a day. This isn't about going viral. It's about getting the right product in front of the right person consistently. Start by creating faceless content that educates or solves small pieces of the problem your product addresses. For example, if your product is a digital planner for ADHD professionals, post short videos showing one feature at a time. Use Canva to create carousel posts. Use CapCut to edit short tutorials. Use ChatGPT to help you write scripts that explain how the planner works, why it's helpful, and who it's for. To do voiceovers, use 11 Labs. Choose a natural voice that fits your tone, write a short script, and let the AI speak for you. Combine this audio with screen recordings of your product in action. Now you have a polished video that educates and sells without ever showing your face or using your real voice. If you're posting on Instagram, Instagram or TikTok? Use trends to get attention, but always make sure your product is the main takeaway. If you're promoting on Pinterest, turn each page or feature of your product into a clean pin and link back to your Gumroad page. You can schedule a week's worth of content in a day using free tools and ChatGPT to help plan the captions. Step 6. Automate and grow. Once you start getting traffic, add a free lead magnet to build an email list. This can be a sample page from your main product, a checklist, or a short guide. Use Kit to collect emails and send automated follow-up emails that offer tips and gently link back to your paid product. You're not spamming, you're reminding them that your product exists and can help. Let's say someone downloads your free freelance invoice template. A few days later, they get an email that says, "Here's how to use this template to get paid faster." A few days after that, another email, "How to automate your freelance onboarding process," with a link to your full toolkit. You're building trust without pressure. You can also set up automated workflows using Zapier to save time. For example, when someone buys your product, you can automatically send them a thank you email, invite them to a feedback form, and add them to a customer-only list. This way, you can reach out to them later when you release an updated version or a new product. One mistake to avoid is turning every product into a giant project. Don't get stuck in endless tweaking. Launch the minimum version that works, then improve it over time. If someone emails you with a question and you find yourself answering the same thing more than once, update the product or add a bonus explainer. Over time, you build a strong, helpful offer that requires less support. As your products grow, think about offering a bundle. For example, a starter kit for freelance marketers that includes a proposal template, a rate calculator, and a project tracker. Bundles usually convert better than individual products because they offer more perceived value. You can also raise the price without losing customers. The long-term strategy is to build systems. Once your first product is selling and your content is running smoothly, start tracking what works. Which posts drive clicks? Which emails get replies? Which price points convert? Use this data to make better decisions instead of guessing. Eventually, you can outsource small tasks like video editing or customer support using the money you earn. You're building a business that doesn't rely on your time or your face. That's the goal. Not overnight fame, but quiet, repeatable income. If you want to expand, think about affiliate marketing. Recommend tools you already use, like Canva, Gumroad, or Kit. These companies pay you a small commission when someone signs up through your link. You can add these links to your product instructions or in your email follow-ups. Another growth method is licensing. If your template works well, offer it with reseller rights. This means someone else pays to use your product in their own business. You can charge more for this, and it's another way to earn without making new products. Before we wrap up, we have to talk about support. Even faceless businesses need trust. Make it easy for people to reach out with questions. Add a simple FAQ to your Gumroad page. Offer a contact email. Answer politely and quickly. People remember good service, and they come back. You don't need to be famous to be profitable. You need to solve real problems in a clear way, package your solutions professionally, and promote them consistently. AI makes that easier than ever. Everything you've learned today can be started without a budget, without an audience, and without ever stepping in front of a camera. Pick a niche, solve a real problem, use AI to speed up your workflow, and build something that works for people when you're not working. What type of digital product business are you thinking of creating? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.